Jamaican people want better.
The PNP have a leader that is one of the brightest person in the country. And that the party has a leader that is competent and can run the affairs of the country. And what the country needs, the country don't need somebody who are going like them are your brother. Who are try dress like you and try put on clocks like you and try be your brother. The country needs somebody that is responsible and that go act like your parents and chart a proper course for you so that you can take care of yourself and have a good future. And when we talk about Mark Golding, I could just say a look at something first because we need to start talk up some more. So let me give you 1 minute. When we talk about Mark Golding, we're talking about a country in which a member of parliament down in Westmoreland take stool and beat the hell out of a woman. And the prime minister of the country said him that have impeachment legislation. And him don't bring no impeachment legislation. And in the matter of 1 week, Mark Golding drafted impeachment legislation and tabled it in the parliament. We're talking about an effective leader. We have a problem with crime and violence. And they say we have 300 people in Jamaica who are violence producers who are cause havoc in the society. Them are lock down everybody on the SOE and Mark Golding come and say, I want to propose something to you. Pre-charge detention so you can go and just target the 300 troublemaker and leave the rest of the people with them rights so that them can go about them lawful business. We're talking about effective leadership. We are in a country where a government pass a law that in a taxi you must have car seat. That in a taxi you must have child seat in a taxi. And they say they come in with regulations. They say they might come with it in 2 days. It's been 3 weeks and it still don't reach yet. And in a matter of 2 days, Mark Golding drafted a private members bill and tabled it in the parliament to repeal that section and to ensure that those who were charged before, that it's removed from their record and the points go back on them license. And the government and the MPs voted against it. We are talking about effective leadership. And so I want you to understand that you are getting in Mark Golding competence, you're getting compassion, you're getting care, you're getting intellectual capacity, you're getting humility. Please make welcome the leader of the People's National Party and the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mark Golding.